When you have a Windows file server and you've installed physical hard drives into it, you'll quickly realize that there's only so much space available in the box. So what do you do if you need more hard drives? Well, you use what's called an external drive array. Okay? So an external drive array allows you to kind of put multiple hard drives in some sort of container that allows you to have cooling fans and power supplies and disk controllers in a separate device or a container from the actual file server. And there are two primary options you have for external drive arrays. One is called a storage area network, and the other one is called network attached storage. Now, the bottom line is your textbook recommends um, the storage area network. The difference between the two is largely software based. The idea here is a storage area network. Think your file server is attached to your local area network. There's going to be another network interface on your file server, and that's going to plug into the storage area network. And that network is kind of self-contained, but it's managed by the file server. Okay? And there's a variety of tools available in Windows Server 2008 to help you manage your storage area network. Okay? So the file server at this point sits on two networks, but it can access and manage all of those volumes in the external drive array. For network attached storage, it's basically a separate device. The disk drive array, the external drive array, plugs into the same hub that the file server does, and that belongs to the local area network. Okay, because it's a freestanding device, it has its own operating system, which is typically a very scaled down version of Unix, and it stands independent. It's not managed as directly as a storage area network would be. So they're also less upgradable. Okay, so generally in terms of performance, you'll want to go with the storage area network, although it's more complex, but there's some good tools in Windows Server 2008 for managing that. So external drive arrays allow you to use more physical drives than can fit in the box that your file server is in, and a storage area network allows you to have a separate network that your file server plugs into that it can manage all of those arrays on.